Managing your directory website just become easier. Let's be honest, configuring a massive directory plugin can feel overwhelming in the past. Trying to wrap your head around directory setting was tough. If you wanted to change just one small feature, you had to scroll endlessly down a massive single column sidebar on the left. We felt that pain and we knew it was holding you back. That's why we completely rebuilt the interface from scratch. In this video, we will take a look at the redesigned Directorist core setting interface and explore how the new layouts helps you find, manage and update your settings faster. The first thing you will notice is the refreshed settings layout. The entire settings architecture has been completely flattened into intuitive horizontal tabs right at top of your dashboard. Whether you are tweaking your directory layout, mapping your pages, or setting up monetizations, everything is accessible in just one click. The left-hand navigation is now perfectly clustered into smart parent categories like directory, search, users, and monetization. It's clean, it's fast, and it's cut layout clutter by half. Beyond just looking great, this update introduced three game-changing workflow improvements. First is the new proactive alert system. Whether you modify a settings but haven't saved yet, Directorist will notify you beside the save button. This helps prevent accidental loss of your changes. Second, if you accidentally forgot to click save and try to navigate away to another menu, Directorist now intercepts you with this friendly verification pop-up. No more lost configuration or redoing your work because you clicked too fast. Third and final helpful improvement is the new setting search. Now you can simply type the settings you are looking for. Just type directory and Directorist will show the relevant option instantly. The best part, you don't even have to navigate to that page. You can turn feature on or off or change options right inside the search result view. It is an incredible time saver. That's a quick overview of new Directorist core settings experience. The goal of this update is simple: to provide a cleaner, more organized and user-friendly settings experience. Update Directorist today and explore the improved settings panel. If you found this setup walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, letting me know what your favorite part of the new UI. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.